Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Ma Long won the Chinese trial 2023. Can't believe it. It's still him, the dragon who is the best. Fatty still has a few years before Ma Long gets back. Ma Long's strength tonight went back 8 years, amazing. This is the award ceremony. Straight to the Durban World Table Tennis Championships National Table Tennis Trial. That's all for this game. Ma Long's condition is really good today, but it doesn't mean that Ma Long can always beat Fan Zhendong in the future. Although I am very happy to see Ma Long's condition is so good now. The main thing is that there is no pressure. The honor harvest is over, and it is still a grand slam after 2 laps. This is already a god in this field. On the contrary, Fan Zhendong is under more pressure. First, he is not young anymore, and second, there is no Grand Slam 2 injured. There is not much time left for Fan Zhendong. Ma Long beat Liang Jingquan, and Wang Chuqin has a fever.
决赛跟樊振东，我觉得更没什么压力可言嘛。然后希望一个球一个球去拼。通过这次比赛，我觉得也是对于之前这个20多天这一个冬训也好，算是一个这种检验嘛。到目前为止，自己还是非常满意吧。
好嘞，好，加油，龙妹！
没有他反手能对到上风也没有，对，
这个变化太漂亮了。
哇！这个球就已经左右侧切了2个。
现在能做到龙哥这个在比赛这个最关键的时候能做到这些东西，只有龙哥一个人。
他俩定位，那
本来就我俩定位是吗？那就
追着梁靖昆球吧，我说一下，先说的，男子呢，4个小组第一是1组1樊振东，2组1马龙，3组1王楚钦，4组1梁靖昆。按照种子位置，1组1樊振东在1号位，2组1马龙在4号位。那么现在抽的是，王楚钦和梁靖昆，他们抽入2号、3号位。这样就是把这个名字放到这个签儿上就行，谁来放？王楚钦是2号位。
别格赖你。
梁靖昆没来抽签，是不是也算那个提前？
梁靖昆3号位。好，那我们这个半决赛的这个抽签结束。
可以侧一侧身。对，像这种质量。
重发球。11比7。
3比0，今天这个。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.